Do you ever struggle with knowing how to market on YouTube to grow your network marketing business? Well, if that's you, in this video, you're going to learn 3 proven strategies that are guaranteed to help you improve your rankings so that you can make more sales, recruit more reps by getting more leads. Stay tuned. Hello, my friend. My name is PEtrovick, and for the past 20 years, I've been teaching, coaching, and training people how to generate more leads, make more sales, and recruit more reps into their network marketing business. And I've spent a lot of time on YouTube. In fact, right now I have 4 YouTube channels, believe it or not. Here's what I want you to know. Tip number 1, if you are building a network marketing business, you have to know, what is your brand? What do you stand for? Who are you serving? What value can you offer your audience? What problems do they have? And how can you offer solutions? Now, gosh, in network marketing, there's so many challenges that people have. You could probably do 1 video a day on some problem or headache or hassle or limiting belief that you or a team member has had, because make no mistake about it, network marketing is a beautiful profession. It gave me my life back. I absolutely love it, but it challenges most people on their mindset, their thinking. And success in this business, I think, is about 85% mindset and then 15% execution. So what you need to do when you think about your brand and your audience that you're serving is, what are they struggling with? And if you don't know the answer to that question, ask people on your team or ask somebody above you. What are the biggest challenges? There are all kinds of forum groups where you can find out what some of the biggest challenges in the network marketing profession are. And then all you do is you get your smartphone. It doesn't have to be a fancy phone. I record all my videos on my iMac. You can take whatever camera you have and you can state a question, offer a solution. And at the same time, you want to be somewhat entertaining. You want to be you. You need to be the best version of you that you possibly can. And I say best version because I want you to always grow. You see behind me, lots of books, lots of audio tapes. I attend lots of seminars. I buy lots of courses. Why? Because I'm always sharpening my saw. You know, Jeff Olson, in his book, The Slight Edge, talks about people who do the thing that seems insignificant in the moment, but when compounded over a long period of time, will take them up the success curve. You see, you have to be that person in your business. And you don't need to have all the answers either. So know who you are, know where you're going, and know the challenges and the struggles that your followers are having, and then talk specifically to them. Make sense? YouTube tip number 2 for network marketers. Create quality content. You know, we just talked about knowing what the challenges are. So you have to be the guy or the gal that has the answers. Now, you don't have to come up with all these answers to problems by yourself, because I can guarantee you right now, you can type in whatever question you want to do a video about and somebody's already done it. The biggest search terms are out there. And I got to tell you, a lot of people want to know how to do something, how to talk to prospects on Facebook. How do you approach somebody on LinkedIn? How do you overcome objections? Whatever the issues are that your audience might be having, you, my friend, need to be the solution person. And again, the best way to do this, if you don't know the answer, is go do some homework, go study, go implement it, and then go teach it. Just remember, when you're producing content on YouTube, the first 15 seconds is the most important in your video. I did a video a couple of days ago on YouTube for marketers. I put a link in the description below and you can kind of watch that. You know, it's about grabbing somebody's attention with a offer that you can help them in some way. Now, it doesn't matter what your niche is. You know, if you're in the pet network marketing niche or in skincare or whatever niche you are in, you know, own that niche. You know, I heard a quote this morning that said, if you spent 1 hour a day for the next 5 years enhancing your knowledge in your niche, you would be one of the world's greatest experts. But most people won't do that. Again, easy to do, easy not to do. That's the slight edge. And oh, by the way, I did a great interview with Jeff Olson on that book, The Slight Edge. I'll put that in the description as well. Great guy, great books. You want to check that out. So be the person that provides quality content. Know that the solution you want to give your followers is already there. So do a search with your keywords, whatever your keyword might be, how to prospect on Facebook, and look at the top 2 or 3 videos. Watch those videos. Now, here's a little ninja trick. I want you to mimic the title and the tags. There's a great little plugin. One of them is called TubeBuddy. I love TubeBuddy. I'll put a link in the description with that one so you can get access to that. It's a free version and a paid version. I love the paid version because it gives you a lot more bells and whistles and helps you rank a lot easier. And there's another one called vidIQ, another great tool, both free and a paid version. But everything that you want to talk about is already there. That's what I really want you to know. So study it, make it your own, and produce the content that speaks to the issues, the pains, and the problems of your audience. YouTube marketing tip number 3 for network marketers. Be consistent. Again, parallels with the slight edge. It's, being consistent and persistent over a long period of time is what takes you up the success curve. Well, understand that YouTube is a content delivering system. They want people to produce content and they want people to stay on YouTube. So your job is to be known in the YouTube world as somebody who produces great content and creates a community and creates a following. Now, you're only going to be able to do that if you know who you are, know where you're going, know who your audience is, and you talk specifically to that audience. But a big mistake a lot of people make, myself included, I did this, is I would produce a video here and there, once a month, every other week. You want to do it at least once a week, and you want to create quality content. Now, I've been studying some of the gurus in the industry, looking at what their patterns are, what their behaviors are, what they do, what their execution is like. And I've made the commitment to my business recently to be known as somebody who produces video content daily. Not just crap, but solid quality video content. So I want to know what your struggles are. I want to know what your pain is. I want to know the things that maybe a team member is, just can't get that breakthrough with. And then I want to create a video for you to answer that specific question. I've been in the industry full time for over 20 years, almost 25 years now. I've made lots of mistakes. Trust me, I've made a lot of mistakes, but I've learned a lot of lessons, and I've learned from some of the best in the business, both in the YouTube world and in the network marketing profession. I love this profession. It gave me my life back. But you need to decide on what this profession is going to do for you. How serious are you going to be at it? Do you want to be a top 1% performer? Or are you looking to just, do a little bit? If you want to do just a little bit, YouTube probably is not your platform. It's just not, because you're not going to get the rankings that you want. You're not going to get the eyeballs that you want. Again, YouTube rewards good behavior. Kind of makes sense. Kind of like what a good parent does. We reward good behavior when our kids do something right. So know who you are, know where you're going, produce good content that addresses the needs, goals, and desires and challenges of your desired audience, and then study success. Look at the keywords and the titles and the tags that are ranking in the top 3 positions. Model success. You've heard that before. And then execute day after day after day. Now, what I would encourage you to do, because I've done it both ways, is once I decided to do a video a day, sometimes when I first got started, I just did the video that day. And sometimes life happens. So what I've done is been able to create some videos in advance, and then you can actually schedule them on YouTube to publish, 2 days out or 3 days out or whatever it is that you want. And that way, life happens. You want to take a weekend off, you want to go on vacation, you can certainly do that. Hopefully this makes sense to you. If you got value out of this, go ahead and hit the like button for me. And if you are not a subscriber yet, I encourage you to be a subscriber and click that little bell that will notify you as I produce videos each and every day. Share this video if you got value. Share it on Facebook, share it with some of your friends on your team in your organization. And if you're interested in learning how you can get leads for your network marketing business every single day, I've got a great free training for you. Just go to terrypetrovick.com/YouTube marketing. It's like a 99-minute training. You're also going to get an amazing PDF with 101 video creation ideas. Again, it's been my pleasure to serve you. I appreciate you stopping by. I appreciate who you are. Leave me some comments below. Let me know what the biggest challenge you're hearing in your organization for yourself or somebody that's on your team. And remember this, my friend. You have a choice. Make it a better than terrific day and a prosperous one because you absolutely deserve it. Own it. Go for it. Until we talk again, bye-bye for now.